In this video, I'm reviewing the Beats Solo 4 wireless on-ear Bluetooth headphones, and after using them as my daily headphones, I can confidently say these are one of the most comfortable and well-balanced Beats headphones I've tried so far. The model I'm using is the cloud pink color, which not only looks premium and stylish but also stands out without being too flashy. From battery life to sound quality, comfort, and device compatibility, I'll break down my real experience using these headphones so you can decide if they're worth your money. Design and comfort. Let's start with the design and comfort because that's the first thing I noticed. The Beats Solo 4 are ultra lightweight, and you really feel that the moment you put them on. I've worn these for long sessions, sometimes several hours at a time, and they never felt heavy or uncomfortable. The Flex Grip headband and the ergonomically angled ear cups do a great job of distributing pressure evenly. The ultra plush ear cushions are soft, breathable, and feel durable. Even though these are on-ear headphones and not over-ear, they don't dig into my ears like older on-ear models used to. For everyday use, whether I'm working, traveling, or just relaxing, comfort has been excellent. The cloud pink color looks even better in person. It has a clean, premium finish and doesn't look cheap or plastic. Beats really nailed the balance between style and practicality here. Sound quality. Sound quality is where these headphones really impressed me. Beats is known for bass, and yes, the bass is powerful, but it's not overwhelming. The custom acoustic architecture and updated drivers deliver a balanced sound profile that works well across different genres. I listen to a lot of hip-hop, pop, R&B, podcasts, and even some gaming audio, and everything sounds clear and punchy. The bass is deep but controlled, mids are clean, and vocals come through nicely without being drowned out. Highs are crisp without being harsh. One standout feature is personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. When listening to supported content, it adds a sense of depth and immersion that makes music and videos feel more alive. It's not a gimmick, it genuinely enhances the listening experience. If you prefer wired audio, the high-resolution lossless audio via USB-C or 3.5mm cable is a huge bonus. I tested both, and the sound quality is noticeably richer when wired, which is great for audiophiles or creators. Battery life and charging. Battery life on the Beats Solo 4 is outstanding. Beats claims up to 50 hours, and based on my usage, that claim feels very realistic. I've gone several days without charging them, even with heavy daily use. The fast fuel feature is incredibly useful. A quick 10-minute charge gives up to 5 hours of playback, which has saved me more than once when I forgot to charge overnight. This makes them perfect for travel, work, and busy lifestyles. Connectivity and compatibility. One of my favorite things about these headphones is the dual compatibility. I've used them with both Apple and Android devices, and the experience is smooth on both sides. One-touch pairing works instantly, and the connection is stable thanks to Class 1 Bluetooth, which offers extended range and fewer dropouts. I can walk around my house without losing connection, and I haven't experienced random disconnects. The built-in microphone delivers clear call quality, and voice assistants work reliably for calls, messages, and commands. I've used these with my phone, tablet, laptop, and even a gaming console, and switching between devices is easy and seamless. Value for money. Considering the original price of $199.95, getting these at $129.95 with a 35% discount is an excellent deal. At this price point, you're getting premium design, long battery life, strong sound quality, and cross-platform compatibility. The fact that this product is Amazon's choice, has over 20,000 reviews, and a 4.6 out of 5-star rating makes sense after actually using them. They feel polished, reliable, and well thought out. Overall verdict. Overall, my experience with the Beats Solo 4 wireless headphones has been extremely positive. They're comfortable enough for all-day wear, powerful enough for music lovers, and versatile enough for Apple and Android users alike. The battery life alone makes them stand out, and when you add the balanced sound, stylish design, and fast charging, these headphones are easy to recommend. If you're looking for stylish, lightweight, long-lasting wireless headphones with great sound and wide compatibility, the Beats Solo 4 are absolutely worth considering, especially at the current discounted price.